What is up, YouTubers? It's Mushroom again, and this time we have 1989 Topps baseball cards. See, 1989. They were 45 cents. I believe these are wax packs, which is kind of interesting. Again, I got these for these cases for $5 from a guy selling them at the Rose Bowl swap meet. That was really bizarre, and very cool at the same time. So, without further ado, oh no, they're not wax packs, they are plastic packs. I can't remember if that's how they always were this late in the years, but let's go ahead and start opening these up, see what we got. Now, hold on, I think the rookie card to get back then was, hold on one sec. The rookie cards to look for are the Ken Griffey Jr. and the Randy Johnson, I believe, for 1989 baseball cards. So this time they put the gum in the middle, which stinks, but here we go. Let's see what we got. And here we go, our last pack. Let's see what happens. Right now, we haven't come up with any the rookie cards that I was looking for, but we did come up with a couple cards. I'll show them back to you in a sec. Do I get a Griffey? Do I get a Griffey? No, no Griffey. And there you have it, a stack of cards. No Ken Griffey. However, we did get these cards. Dave Gallagher, Jim Abbott, the draft pick card. Steve Avery, draft pick card. Monty Ferris, draft pick. Robin Ventura, draft pick. Mike Harkey, don't know who that is. Cecil Espy, Sandy Alomar, and that's it. So, that's what we got. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, questions, and comments down below. And we'll see you at the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.